You have all just embarked on a journey to discover the importance of forests, to learn to identify a trade-off, and to use this to shape our path towards sustainability. The story of my thesis begins with us all transported to the west coast of BC to investigate the problem. We arrive to suddenly find ourselves standing in an ancient rainforest with trees hundreds of years old or more. Their towering trunks draped in moss and ferns rise above you, and intuitively you sense value in this forest. Indeed so, because this forest provides our society with many important benefits, including things like clean drinking water, wild edible plants and medicines, and those trees play a vital role in regulating our global climate. Now imagine before our eyes that forest is quickly cut down before us, leaving us to wonder, what values have we lost, and how long will they take to recover? The problem is that nobody actually knows, yet the forest was cut down anyway. In the next scene, we take a step back to have a look at the bigger picture. Clearly, logging the forest provides us with jobs and an exceptionally useful and renewable resource, wood. But cutting down the forest comes at a trade-off. A trade-off is a win-lose scenario, and we all make trade-off decisions every day. For example, should I spend this evening studying for an upcoming exam, or should I spend quality time with my family? So each one of us knows then that trade-offs carry future consequences. Now in the case of cutting our forest down for timber, these consequences may be long-lasting legacies of an increase or of a warming global climate, of species extinctions or degraded water quality in our own communities. And these trade-offs don't just occur in BC, but they occur in forests worldwide. This is a global problem, and it threatens human sustainability. The solution is to learn how to rebalance these trade-offs. But to do that, we need to really understand them, and we need to understand how long they last. And that's exactly the unknown that my research targets with 3 simple steps. First, I've already figured out how to measure and quantify many of the important benefits that forests provide us. Second, I'm currently in the process of estimating their recovery rates. To do this, I'm using an existing government data set that has tracked forest recovery along a 300-year time span. Lastly, I'll take my results from the 300-year recovery and I'll test them in the field, back in the rainforests of coastal BC. This research will help us minimize the impacts of forestry, and it will contribute to the immense challenge we all face together as a society, which is to rebalance the trade-offs that threaten our sustainability. Thank you.